welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. So y'all, I decided to style this wig I was sent from SuperBWigs. I wanted to style it in a bang. Okay, this was my first time ever doing a bang. When I say I was petrified and terrified, okay. But yes, the wig I'm styling today is their Lily pre-plucked hairline silky straight human hair 360 lace front wig. Okay, that's the wig name. The construction of the wig is a 360 lace, so you get lace all around the perimeter of the wig. The length of this wig is an 18-inch. This is a 150% density, and the cap size I have is a 22.5, which is pretty much a medium cap. I went ahead and styled this wig off of my head. I did the cutting portion on my head only because I've never cut a bang, so I didn't want to jack my ish up. Okay, I did not want a too short bang, so I'm doing my baby hairs, and I went ahead and kind of molded the hair into the half up, half down ponytail that I wanted to do. That way it can be easier for me when I put it on. Okay, so I wanted to show you all the construction of the wig. It does come with 4 combs, an adjustable band at the bottom. It has 2 little attachments in the wig where you can add an elastic band to it. It comes with an attachable elastic band, and you can see the lace goes all around the perimeter, and the wefts are in the middle. So you're able to put this wig in a high up ponytail if you want. You have a lot more options to style this wig, but of course I decided to do a bang today.
So what am I saying? Anyway, me did it. Fuck you did them there. Isn't it? Yeah, what I say going on? Yo, my lady. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up. And so me go so pretty, them pretty, so they dab them a walk. Love it the way you whine or you walk and attack. So when you take money like a rocket, it's a spark. Kiki is a hit when they get them top class. White, black, brown, swim around in a tear. No matter the time I get them to get straight anywhere. Me no rich, but if I silent, I'm a millionaire. Girl, if you have a try to fling it in here. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. And I say, girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up, yo. Hey, wine around, make your tongue itchy bone. But the girl them they will mix up the style, put willy bounce and dance. We come fit dance, on no time, pissy down. It's a big up all of the girl them who know they will silly stunt. Hey, I mean, kitty with the hygiene. Pull up in the dance, always nice and clean. Hey, I mean the papa looking wifey. From your other side, really you're not slidey. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love the way you twist and turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. And as a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love the way you twist and turn up. Act like lava, girl, you a burn.
Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to cut the bang, right? When I say I was so nervous to do this, like I've always wanted to try a bang. This is my first time ever wearing a bang, cutting a bang. this is a first time for all of it. So I was so nervous doing this, and I didn't want to do it on my mannequin head because I just wanted to make sure that I did not F this up. I wanted it to, be right the first time, or as right as I could make it. I did not want to cut my bang too short. So yeah, y'all, I just finesse this like I did. I used the razor for some of it. I point cut it. I went and just finesse the whole cut. Okay, so I'm showing y'all what I'm doing. I took my time. This took me a good minute to do because I did not want to jack it up. So if this is your first time ever doing a bang, definitely make sure you take your time doing this, okay? So y'all, after all of that, we were able to get a little look. Okay, I was feeling it. I was very proud of myself for doing this for the first time. It turned out really cute. The next time I try this, I'm sure to go a lot better. But I'm glad I took the plunge and tried this style. And ever since, bangs have been trending since the Bang Yang song, okay? I've been wanting me a Bang Yang, okay? So I'm so glad I tried it. It looks super cute. Like, I love it so much. I would never cut my rear hair in the bang because it can get annoying, but for a wig. Yes, ma'am. I love this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Big thank you to SuperBWigs. I appreciate y'all so much. To my subbies and my viewers, I thank y'all so much for watching this video and supporting me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video, okay? Love y'all so much. Bye.